Pwede ba mag-brown rice half cup every day? Ito, question for you. Ano yung rason bakit naglo-low carb ka? Bakit gusto mo ng rice? Pwede namang dahan-dahanin. Some people can't live talaga na completely cut out yung rice. So in that case, what do you do? Just be aware na kung completely out of control yung iyong sakit, o kaya naman kung ang rason kung bakit naglo-low carb ka ay dahil gusto mo magpapayat, then just be aware that yung half cup ng rice na yun, kapatid, will still have around mga siguro 6 teaspoons yan. Kasi yung 3/4 cup of rice will already have 10 teaspoons of sugar. Kahit na maliit na amount ng rice ay marami pa rin asukal. So kung kayo ay wala pa sa ideal weight, kayo ay hindi pa rin magaling sa sakit, if that's the reason why kayo naglo-low carb, then just be aware that kung you will have rice, that's fine kung yun talaga lang ang kaya nyo, but it'll take you longer to reach your goal. Ano pa man yun. Yung goal ninyo ay magpapayat or yung goal ninyo ay magpagaling ng sakit, it'll take you longer. Kung gusto nyo talaga ma-reverse agad, then you can stay clean talaga. Ano when I say clean, sa mga wala pang food guide, paki-download lamang po. Focus on the green part and then that will help you to reach your goals faster.